Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix many mistakes that you might make in a Google Sheet. Mistakes will happen. It's common, and it's okay. But it is not okay if you are unable to fix that mistake. And there's a few things that are pretty easy that you can do to fix the mistakes, and I'll walk through those now. So let's say you accidentally went here and you accidentally deleted the search traffic for 3 rows. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click out of there and click Command Z. That will undo that action, right? So you can click Command Z, or you can go up here and click Undo, right? So that's one thing. Now let's say you mess up a couple things here, and a couple things here and here. Okay, like you can't just Command Z everything. You can't always Command Z everything at once. So if things get really messed up, what I recommend first is pausing, reaching out, seeing if you can get someone to help. Try to understand what it is that got messed up. Worst case scenario is go into the version history up here, and you can see different versions of that document from the last time it was saved. So you can see the current version I'm on. You could also see yesterday's version, and you could see all, by clicking in here, all of the little moves that were made in between, right? So here in the current version, it'll show you the last 3 clicks that I made, and prior to that, it'll show you, some of the things I did earlier. So if I wanted to restore back to a particular version, you just go and click restore this version. But definitely reach out first prior to, doing that. You don't really want to go too far back, especially if you have multiple people working on a sheet at once. It could get messy. So ideally, try to stick with the undo. Try to be vigilant and be aware of what you're doing. But if you're trying to figure something out, how something got messed up, when it got messed up, go into that version history, start taking a look, and try to figure out what the issue was, and diagnose that before it's too late and you have to kind of restart from scratch. So if there's any questions, always feel free to reach out, but those are a couple quick tips if you do end up messing up some data within a sheet.